Choose municipal sewer over septic whenever it is available to save on upfront costs and long-term maintenance for budget-friendly home construction. Municipal sewer connections typically eliminate the need for a septic tank, drain field, and the specialized soil testing that drives early site expenses, so start by prioritizing lots within existing service boundaries when you search. Ask the seller and local utility for precise tap fee schedules and typical inspection costs, then negotiate to have those fees included in the purchase or seller concessions to lower your immediate outlay. When planning subdivisions or multiple homes, propose a cluster sewer approach to the municipality where a single extended connection or shared main reduces individual tap charges and installation length. If you cannot avoid an on-site system, budget for proper soil percolation tests, conservative design sizing, and a maintenance contract to prevent premature replacement costs. Use a checklist that compares life cycle costs over 30 years rather than only initial installation to make trade-offs clear, and include routine pumping and likely component replacement in your projections. Work with a civil engineer experienced in both sewer and septic design to quantify cost differences and permit timelines so you can make a data-driven choice without surprises. Common mistakes include picking a cheaper lot without checking service maps, then facing unexpected sewer extension costs, so always confirm sewer availability with the utility before making an offer. Another frequent issue is underestimating tap fees and inspection charges, so request published fee schedules and examples of recent projects in the same jurisdiction to get realistic numbers. Finally, buyers sometimes accept a septic plan without comparing long-term operational costs, so run simple scenarios showing maintenance, electricity, and replacement costs over 30 years to see when municipal hookup is more economical. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare practical strategies for choosing sewer over septic within a budget, and our discussion community lets people ask neighbors and professionals about real costs and experiences. We help contractors find work by connecting their services to homeowners who are actively planning projects in their area.